A cosmic curiosity. The iPhone in the microwave. Have you ever found yourself staring at your iPhone and wondered what would happen if you placed it inside a microwave? It's a bizarre thought, but curiosity often leads us to ponder the most unusual scenarios. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you microwaved an iPhone 4? This question might seem absurd, but it's one that has crossed the minds of many, especially when boredom strikes. It's a question that might pop into your head while waiting for your popcorn to finish. As you stand there, watching the kernels burst into fluffy goodness, your mind might wander to the possibilities of other items in the microwave. The universe is full of wonders, but some experiments are best left to the experts. Scientists spend years studying the effects of various conditions on different materials, and they know the risks involved. Don't try this at home. It's incredibly dangerous and could have explosive consequences. Microwaving an iPhone can lead to fires, explosions, and toxic fumes that are harmful to your health. Instead, join me on a journey to explore the science behind this ill-advised experiment. We'll delve into the reasons why microwaving an iPhone is a terrible idea and uncover the fascinating science that makes it so. A recipe for disaster. Safety first. When it comes to using household appliances, safety should always be your top priority. Microwaving an iPhone 4 is not just a bad idea, it's a dangerous and potentially life-threatening mistake. It's a recipe for disaster. The intense heat and radiation can cause severe damage. The combination of metal, a lithium-ion battery, and microwave radiation is incredibly dangerous. These elements together can create a hazardous situation. The metal components can create sparks and start fires, leading to uncontrollable flames. The battery can overheat, potentially leading to an explosion. This can cause serious injuries and extensive property damage. The radiation itself can cause burns and damage to your microwave. Always remember, safety first to avoid such catastrophic outcomes. When metals meet microwaves, sparks fly. The iPhone 4, like most electronics, contains metal components. These metals reflect microwaves, causing them to bounce around inside the oven. This reflection creates an uneven heating pattern. The energy has to go somewhere. It builds up in the metal, creating intense heat and sparks. These sparks can ignite flammable materials nearby, potentially starting a fire. Section 4. The battery's fury. A potential explosion. The lithium-ion battery inside an iPhone 4 is designed to store and discharge energy safely under normal conditions. It powers the device efficiently, ensuring that users can enjoy their phone's features without any risk. But microwaving the phone disrupts this delicate balance. The electromagnetic waves from the microwave interfere with the battery's chemistry. The microwaves heat the battery rapidly and unevenly, causing internal damage. This uneven heating can lead to the battery swelling, leaking, or even catching fire. This damage can lead to a thermal runaway reaction, where the battery overheats uncontrollably, potentially resulting in an explosion. The consequences can be severe, including fires, injuries, and significant property damage. Section 5. The screen's demise. No more pixels for you. The LCD screen of the iPhone 4 is another casualty in this microwave mishap. The liquid crystals inside the screen are sensitive to heat. The intense heat from the microwaves causes irreversible damage to the liquid crystal structure. This damage results in a distorted or completely blank screen,